To the person who commented and said, "You never see me drink water in my videos," this one's for you. Since I don't have too much of a plan today, I think I'm gonna drive to some of the noteworthy spots here in the park and show you guys some of the views that you could expect if you ever visit Bryce Canyon on your own. We're going full tourist mode with the GoPro here. I don't wanna risk damaging my other camera since my first camera already broke, so I don't wanna water damage my backup camera. Check out this view. This is actually where I did my trail run yesterday. Well, this is a little section of it. It looks much different today because it's all cloudy and rainy. It smells like cow poop. I hope y'all enjoyed those insane views. Bryce Canyon National Park, truly a spectacular and beautiful place. That being said, just like all the other national parks, it's pretty dang heavily touristy, even here on a rainy day. So I'm getting the heck out of here. I'm gonna go find what my next destination is. I have no idea what that might be just yet, but all I know is I gotta get out of here because it's crowded. They're just like cows in the middle of the road. You gotta watch out for them. They seem to be doing pretty good at staying off the road though. They know they don't want to get hit. We're not at the camp spot just yet, but I saw there's a cool little creek along here that I've been driving by, and I saw a couple fly fishermen coming out, and it made me just want to check out the little creek here and see, just take a peek, you know, see what it's looking like. I really want to go do some fly fishing, but unfortunately I don't have my Utah fishing permit, my fishing license, so I can't fish, unfortunately, until I get that at least. But I don't know if I'm gonna get it here in Utah because I'm headed to Colorado and I think I'm gonna spend more time there, so I might just pay for it there once I get there. It's a nice little creek. I didn't see any fish, but that's just one little part of it. Who knows this might be a really good fly fishing spot. The guys look like they meant business. They got the waders on, they have their nets, the whole 9 yards, so they might know, you know, they might know what they're doing. Come on guys, pack it out. I feel like I'm in Wyoming right now. It's just everywhere you look, it's just mountainous ranches. And you don't really think about like mountain ranches when you think of Utah, but it's actually surprisingly a very large and prominent part of the state. And I must say, it is quite gorgeous. Gorgeous indeed. If you guys ever have the chance, these trail clusters from Walmart. No, my gas didn't get siphoned, but I totally didn't screw my gas cap back on at the last gas station that I got gas at. No, I don't know how to play this. I'm just now actually learning because I figured I'm gonna have a lot of free time on the road, so might as well try it out. I never played guitar or really any instruments, so this is a first, and I'm actually really excited. I'm typically a little bit better than this. My hands are just really frozen because it's actually pretty icy out here, so forgive me, but expect some cool ukulele songs in the future. This potato's pretty old, that's why I'm peeling off the skin. Otherwise, I usually cook sweet potatoes with the skin on, but the skin's a little bit funky on this guy. Okay, that was kind of a lot of butter. Oh well. Live a little, eh? I'm also gonna add some garlic salt. Nice generous amount there. Fresh cracked pepper, of course, like always. Just a smidge of some chili powder for a little kick as well. Mix all that up. Just gonna add some rice just to heat that up. There we go. There we go. There's two. Give that a nice scramble. I'm gonna put a little bit of beans because I have them. Gonna add a little extra oomph to the burrito. Check this out. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, it would be nice if I had some more vegetables or, some avocado, something like that, but I think this is gonna be good. It looks delicious. Can't go wrong with the breakfast burrito, like I said. Solid meal. Wow, that was good. This is my form of entertainment when I have service. Which, surprisingly, I've had a lot of service this trip. T-Mobile used to be really, really terrible, but they've been a lot better. Shout out to T-Mobile if you're watching this, which I'm sure T-Mobile is watching this. Sponsor me? Oh, man. What a long day. I do love rainy days in the camper, though. They are really cozy. Well, I'm gonna go to bed. See you guys in the morning. Oh, wow. It's a bright sunny day with blue skies after a couple days of rain there. Woo! Holy tourist galore. It's literally the middle of the week right now, guys. Look at all these cars. Oh my goodness. What in tarnation? Today is Tuesday or Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. As much as I would love to explore around the national park, show you guys around a little bit, it is way too crowded. Like, it is jam-packed with people. And also, I have a lot of video editing to catch up with today, so I think I'm actually just gonna end the video here. But of course, don't worry, I will continue filming once my travels resume. And yeah, thanks like always for tuning in. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe even consider subscribing, but you don't have to. Go out there and go on some adventures of your own. Live life, beat the status quo. Y'all know the drill. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you very, very soon in the next video.